Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll feel a slight vibration along with the sound and a pop-up after a moment, which will signify that you have captured your screenshot. Now it gives you an overview of the two options that are accessible right here. So have tap to make a scrolling screenshots. Now it is grayed out. That is because on the home screen I have nothing to scroll down on. But if, for instance, I would open settings where you can scroll down, that would allow me to tap on this button, and from there it would start scrolling down. You can tap on it to stop it, or you can just scroll down yourself. From there, select a check mark right somewhere here, and it will basically save that screenshot, a long version of it. But just pressing it or holding those two keys will capture a normal one, as you can see, this one, and you also have the send option. But if you don't do anything with them, it will for a moment disappear like this, and all the screenshots that you will capture over the time can all be located in your gallery application under albums. They're also visible just normally in the photos, but you can easily locate just strictly the screenshots in albums and screenshots and screen recordings. And you can see it right over here. So that is how you can capture your screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.